literally the middle of nowhere. But do it scared, right? Had a lot going on in my life. This video is not going to plan. I'm taking you around the northern Sunshine Coast. But the bad news is, it's closed. So today we've come all the way out to the Scenic Rim. This vlog just isn't going to plan. Sticking with our theme of things not going right on this vlog. Hello, welcome back to Love, Life and Travel. If you're new here, I'm Rebecca, and today I'm taking you around the northern Sunshine Coast. So we're starting off in Noosa, which is about 2.5 to 3 hours from Brisbane, and I'm just going to show you around Noosa and work my way down to possibly the 𝓛𝓸𝓸𝓸𝓬𝓽 and surrounds. So stay tuned. Today we're going to show you the big pineapple, we're going to show you the macadamia farm, possibly the ginger factory, and around Noosa, Hastings Street, and a few other little surprises in there as well, depending on the weather, because today I did not pick the best day to come filming because it's been raining, so we'll see how I go. Also, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's been patient. As you can see, I haven't uploaded for about 6 weeks. Had a lot going on in my life, and I honestly just did not feel like picking up the camera. But here I am. Today I'm going to pick it up and show you around the northern Sunshine Coast area. So let's go have a look at Noosa. One of the things I'm actually dealing with again today is filming in public, because obviously it's been a little while and it's very daunting walking around with a camera all on my own. But do it scared, right? That's my mantra. So let's go do this. Don't worry about my fears, just do it anyway. I've just come to the end of Hastings Street and I parked in the public car park and made my way up this little walk which goes to like a lookout area. It's beautiful up here, as you can see. I don't know what it is today, but I am really struggling to talk to the camera. My gosh, my mouth is just so tired and the words just aren't coming to me. So bear with me. Oh my gosh. I think it's because I'm on my own, and also because I haven't been doing it for a little while, so I'm kind of out of the vibe. So I'm just trying to force myself to make a video for you guys today. So I'm going to go have a look at Hastings Street. I'm actually getting hungry. I need a bathroom break, so let's go look at Hastings Street and see what there is. Well, the good news is the sun is out, so let me show you the beach with the blue skies. One thing I do like about Noosa is the walkway they have along the beach, and it backs onto all the resorts, but it's really pretty. It's finally stopped raining, the sun is kind of out, the beach is very quiet today. Noosa is one of the most popular beaches on the Sunshine Coast, but there's barely anybody here. I'm just going to go for a little walk along this walkway. And Phil, if you're watching over in the UK, I know you'll recognise this place because I know you came here. While I'm giving shout outs, I want to give a big shout out to Tanya over in the UK as well. I know she's been watching. Hope you're feeling better soon. And also to Sergio, who is also one of our new viewers. He comes from Chile and he loves my vlogs. So hi Sergio. Now we've come to Yandina, which is a little bit south of Noosa, and we've come to the ginger factory. Now, I don't like ginger, but I'm coming for you guys. My mum and my nana love ginger, so let's go check it out. Okay, this vlog isn't going to plan. I did go to the ginger factory and it is free to enter. When you go inside, there's a gift store. They sell like the ginger flavoured nuts and all kinds of different things. And there's like a ice cream shop and a food outlet. But everything else really have to pay for. So there's a train ride you can do on the steam train, and there was a demonstration thing. So the steam train was $9 something, not too bad. But yeah, I'm just not feeling it today. I'm really struggling to film this vlog today. I'm really sorry if it's boring for you. Anyway, I've decided to come off the highway because I'm heading south again now. Oh, sorry, before that, I actually stopped in at the Big Pineapple. The Big Pineapple we used to go to as kids all the time. And when I got there, it was very run down. I think it has been closed down and it's reopened, but it's, yeah, and it actually isn't as big as I remember. So anyway, so I decided not to stay there, and I've headed south, and I'm now at what's called Aussie World. It used to be the Edinburgh pub, but they've actually rebranded it, repainted it and everything. But I'm really hungry, and so it is now like almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I haven't had anything since breakfast. So I'm going to have a wander through Aussie World and see what there is to eat and what they have here now. Okay, so like I said, this video is not going to plan. I did get out, I had a walk around, couldn't really find anything that I wanted to eat. It was overpriced for starters. My feet are killing me because yesterday I bought some new boots, and I feel like I got them a size too small because my toes are so crippled right now. So I'm gonna take these boots off and chuck my sneakers on, which thankfully were in my car. Just give me a second. Oh, the realities of vlogging, hey? Anyway, and also it is super windy for some reason, and I'm wearing a dress and the dress keeps blowing up. And although I'm sure some people are enjoying the view, I don't particularly want to have my dress flying everywhere when I'm filming. Anyway, so taking the boots off. I'm starving and I think it's going to be a Macca's run. Actually, that's what I was going to do in this video. I was going to talk about some of the words we use over here in Australia. But I may do that in another video. But yeah, Macca's run, McDonald's. I need to go to McDonald's. Something quick, something easy, and drive home and just rest. And I will try again later in the week to film something else because this vlog's just not working out. So sorry about that, guys. It's just the way it is today. But I did try. And yeah, my head's not in it. My brain's, yeah, I'm struggling today. But so today we've come all the way out to the Scenic Rim, and we're at the 𝓒𝓸𝓷𝓽𝓪𝓬𝓽 Vineyard and Lavender Farm. Middle of nowhere, but it's very beautiful. It's very quiet, and we're just going to have a stroll around and have a look. Come with me. much. We don't have signal for a map, so I'm not sure now where we are. Has anyone got signal at all?
No.
Okay, so we did turn around and we've driven a fair way back, and then we saw a sign for Lake Moogerah, and so I said, let's go that way, I've heard of that, been there. So we turned down this road, and then the road once again turns into a dirt track. So I don't understand, because I've been to Lake Moogerah on a road before and it wasn't like this. So now, and it said 21 kilometres this way, so I'm not going to drive 21 kilometres on a dirt track. I don't know how we're getting so wrong today. If only we had some maps. So we're still travelling down this dirt track. It's about 15 minutes later. Still nowhere near any dam or anything. If my mum and dad were here right now, I'm sure they would know where we are or something. It feels like it's like been made four-wheel drive, but my car's not four-wheel drive. So Dad, if only you were here to guide the way. Because if we break down here, we're in literally the middle of nowhere, and it's a long walk to civilization. What an adventure we're on today, girls. In case I haven't mentioned it, I'm out with my daughters today. This is our girls' day out, and we were meant to be doing some fun stuff, but now I'm lost in who knows where. We're all hungry. We haven't had lunch yet, and it's already 1:33. And so we did see a sign back there where you could buy turkeys. So if we get desperate, we can go back and get a turkey. Look, we have road again. Let's see how long it lasts though, because last time it lasted like 50 metres and then it was back to this. But my poor little car, woohoo! Who's excited? Let's go. Gravel road ahead. Oh, what? Look at the sign. We have some bitumen. Let's savor the moment of smoothness. Oh, look at how civilization. Oh no, look ahead of us. Oh no. Oh no. Right, we found a sign. We're going to head towards Lake Moogerah. I'm hoping there's food out that way, because they've been out towards Mount 𝓒𝓸𝓷𝓽𝓪. That's where the winery was. Good news, we have finally made it to Lake Moogerah. What a ride that was. It took us forever to get here. So, bathroom break, see if we can find somewhere to eat, because Jessica said there's a cafe here somewhere. Over there, yay. And then we're going to look at the dam. So, oh, okay. Okay, we found the cafe. It's just over here. But the bad news is it's closed. So it's 2 PM and we still haven't had lunch yet. And there's nothing anywhere near here, so I'm not quite sure what we're going to do. There's a little turtle, look, going for a swim. That's so cute. Don't know whether you can see that on there, but that's a little turtle swimming away. So when you come out to Moogerah Dam, you can actually walk the dam wall, which you can see behind me, and it gives you a great view of the scenery behind. And also you can watch them release some water, which is what they're doing down here at the moment. And you can see that. As you can see, I'll get a better shot in a minute, but yeah, it's quite scenic out here. You can bring a picnic. There is a cafe, like I said, but it's closed. But it's a really nice place to come out for a drive if you're looking for something to do in the Scenic Rim. So Moogerah Dam was built between 1959 and 1961. The top of the dam is 124 feet high and the overall length 717 feet. The thickness of the arch of the base of the dam apparently is 16 feet, and the capacity of the reservoir is 20,000 million gallons of water. That's a lot. And the catchment area is 88 square miles. So just some fun facts for you there. Oh, and the volume of concrete in the structure is 29,400 cubic cubic yards, is it? I think it's cubic yards. Anyway, let's read in the thing over here. Not that I knew all the information. But the sun's come out. And yeah, beautiful, beautiful scenery. So bring a picnic or come to the cafe when it's open and enjoy a lovely time out at the Scenic Rim. It's not too far from Bow Desert area, Boona area. We only came a long way around because we got lost. Don't get lost. Okay, so sticking with our theme of things not going right on this vlog, we drove for miles to try and find somewhere to have our lunch, and there was nothing. So we've actually driven all the way back to Yamanto, which is near Ipswich, and we found a shop that sells chips. So we're going to have a car picnic and have some chips and gravy, and then I'm going home and I'll film some more on Friday. Hello and welcome back to my, never mind, there's birds flying. The macadamia farm, the big pineapple, and plenty more, so stay tuned. Oh, this is terrible. So all around Noosa, excuse me, we have finally made it to Lake Moogerah. That was a journey and a half, but anyway, now we're going to have a quick pit stop. Yeah, it's going to have a lot of outtakes. Good. And pathways that you can go and explore. Now I've just come down to the, where are we? Oh my gosh. Note to self, remember where you are before you start talking. One thing I do like about Noosa is the walkway they have along the beach, and it backs onto all the resorts. But it's really pretty. It's a beautiful outlook out here. The sun's setting. No, it's not. The sun's not setting. It's like middle of the day.